March 31st, 2025. I slept all right there in the car and got up and got moving. Got driving on the road again toward Utah and quite enjoyed the travel. The scenery was beautiful. I think it's just an incredible part of the country, probably an incredible part of the world that is sparsely inhabited and not a lot of traffic the whole day, really. And yeah, just beautiful. Nice, peaceful travel. Little towns here and there as we go. I'll pop up some various images of video of cool things I saw as I was driving. And yeah, just a lot to take in. The weather was pretty nice mostly until I got to the end of the day, when it just started snowing up in the mountain pass as I was west, I think 100-ish miles, maybe 80 miles, coming through the mountains. It was just snowing and quickly turned into a blizzard. Really hard to see. I'll throw some b-roll of that too. Yeah, pretty kind of hairy there for a little while. Just driving real slow, 20 to 30 miles an hour tops for a good hour at least, maybe a couple hours. And yeah, just made it here to Elisa's a little while ago, kind of wrapping things up on the day. It was I'm not sure what actually inspired the thought I wrote down earlier for my deep thoughts, my daily topics list. But the one that kind of is, I think, a little interesting and easy to talk on is the idea that forgetting something is an opportunity to learn it again with new life, with a new life perspective informing it. And I think that's maybe kind of shows the nature of human existence in general. I think a lot of times we think we're learning new lessons when in reality we have learned it before and we didn't realize that we may have just forgotten it, or that the perspective we had when we learned it the first time made it feel like a different lesson. And I think that's an interesting kind of, I think it's a cool opportunity to realize that the things you do forget, maybe the positive, cool things you learn about that you just don't implement and don't kind of crystallize into your life to make a foundational element of the way you are, your character, your behavior, that often it will kind of drift away and maybe it lingers kind of nearby, and then you'll pick it up again and realize, oh yeah, that thing, whatever that is. So man, what would be my call to action in regards to this? When you learn something new and you think it's for the first time, how would you be even aware that you forgot it? Just forgot it before. Maybe the next time you hear something that you think is cool or important or a nice learning moment, and you do realize you've heard it before, maybe take an extra moment to kind of maybe commit some action that you might take to reinforce it and to incorporate whatever that benefit might be, whether it's just an action, a different way of thinking, whatever. And maybe maybe it'll make a good change for you if you just really make that one little commitment, something that you have to prioritize that commitment, at least just for a little bit, to help kind of help the thing take root and kind of be able to have a chance at improving your life. So there you go. All in all, a nice way to wrap up the month, and here we go on into April Fools. Good times. Take it easy, y'all.